Ever wondered about natural remedies for common health issues? It's a question that has gained traction in recent years, as more and more people seek out natural, holistic ways to maintain their health. One such remedy that's been making waves is a potent mixture of figs and olive oil. Known for their individual health benefits, when combined, they transform into what some are calling the royal mixture. So, are you ready to explore this intriguing fusion? Join us as we dive into the world of figs and olive oil, the royal mixture. Scene script. Figs, the ancient fruit, carry an abundance of health benefits. These luscious fruits, enjoyed by civilizations for thousands of years, are packed with goodness that can significantly contribute to your health. Let's start with their high-fiber content. Figs, whether fresh or dried, provide a rich source of dietary fiber. This aids in maintaining a healthy digestive system, reducing the risk of constipation, and promoting a sense of fullness. Moving on, figs are a treasure trove of essential vitamins and minerals. They are rich in potassium, which helps to regulate blood pressure, and calcium, vital for bone health. They also offer a good dose of vitamins A, E, and K, which are crucial for vision, skin health, and blood clotting, respectively. Lastly, their role in promoting digestive health is noteworthy. Besides fiber, figs contain prebiotics, which help to support the beneficial gut bacteria, thus enhancing overall gut health and boosting immunity. Clearly, figs are more than just a sweet treat. They're a powerhouse of nutrition. Olive oil, often termed as liquid gold, has long been known for its health benefits. This oil, extracted from the fruit of olive trees, is a powerhouse of essential nutrients and antioxidants. One of the primary health benefits of olive oil is its high content of monounsaturated fats. These heart-healthy fats are known to lower bad cholesterol levels and increase good cholesterol, thereby promoting a healthy heart. In addition to these heart-friendly fats, olive oil is also rich in powerful antioxidants. These antioxidants combat harmful free radicals in the body, preventing cell damage and reducing the risk of chronic diseases such as cancer. Another noteworthy benefit of olive oil is its potential role in reducing inflammation. Studies have shown that the anti-inflammatory properties of olive oil can help alleviate symptoms in conditions like arthritis. Olive oil is indeed a liquid gold, offering a myriad of health benefits. What happens when you combine these two powerhouses of nutrition, figs and olive oil? Imagine a symphony where each instrument plays its part, but when they come together, the result is a beautiful piece of music that's greater than the sum of its parts. That's exactly what happens when you mix figs, packed with fiber and essential minerals, with olive oil, a rich source of healthy fats and antioxidants. You see, the fats in olive oil aren't just good for your heart, they also help your body absorb nutrients more effectively. When you consume figs and olive oil together, the fats in the olive oil help your body soak up all the nutrients in the figs like a sponge. This means you get more bang for your buck from each fig you eat. But the benefits don't stop at improved nutrient absorption. This royal mixture can also boost your digestive health. The fiber in figs helps keep your digestive system running smoothly, and when paired with olive oil, this effect is amplified, promoting regularity and helping to prevent constipation. Moreover, both figs and olive oil are known for their heart-healthy benefits. Figs are rich in potassium, which helps control blood pressure, while the monounsaturated fats in olive oil can help reduce bad cholesterol levels. Combined, they make a powerful duo for heart health. The combination of figs and olive oil takes the health benefits of each to a whole new level. So, let's recap the key points about the health benefits of the fig and olive oil mixture. This royal blend of figs and olive oil is a powerhouse of nutrients that can significantly enhance our health. Figs, packed with fiber and essential minerals, are great for heart health and digestion. They're also a natural sweetener, making them a healthier alternative to processed sugars. On the other hand, olive oil, often referred to as liquid gold, is a rich source of monounsaturated fats and antioxidants. It's known for its heart-healthy effects and ability to reduce inflammation. When these two are combined, their benefits are amplified. The fiber from the figs and the healthy fats from the olive oil work together to keep us feeling full and satisfied. Plus, the antioxidants in both help to fight off harmful free radicals, protecting our cells from damage. Incorporating this royal mixture into your diet can be a simple yet effective way to boost your health naturally.